So the Ambassador Workshop on Heron Island is a fantastic opportunity for people to learn more about CoralWatch and about the reef. We do all different sessions. We go snorkeling and use the coral health chart to monitor the reef. We have sessions in class where all the volunteers learn about coral biology, about the CoralWatch program, but especially also what you can do to help the Great Barrier Reef. They also become familiar with all our CoralWatch resources that can help them to plan and implement their individual projects. It's very important to raise more awareness about the reef and get more people to love the reef, because then it's more likely that they will take action to look after the reef. Next step up is become an ambassador. So you can become a volunteer for the reef through CoralWatch, working together to look after the reef.